time will come, the race leader, Wolf Motorsport, will wait for them to repair. Wolf Motorsport now in second place, so the pocket has been ripped, and already Stuart Pratt didn't lead the race. He's down number 46 at Mill now racing. I've got a feeling they were side by side on the run towards turn 1, but they have swapped back round to the way they started. Thereafter, it's anyone's guess. I think we're almost trying to 3 wide down the park straight on the run towards Park Corner, so it's getting very, very close indeed. We'll just have to wait for them to reappear, because they do disappear out of my sight over the brow on the run through Chris Curve. So it's still the top 2, or top 3 back happening in the same order they have. Powers on, they've dropped back a couple of places and already under pressure for losing a little. This time, from the 3 amigos, one of the cars you need to watch, very difficult to qualify as a fourth issue, but that's swapped around for what is a third place. So 25 fourth place is here before the start of the 81. They picked up another position on the last fire. On the sponsors guide, it's blue and yellow. In actual fact, I believe it is black and yellow. We'll have to wait and see what's going on. Car sideways in contact coming through Charlie's. It was one of the Semprini cars. It was Semprini Junior pitched sideways. I don't know whether it was lift off oversteer, but collecting them on the way through was Castraps Racing. Whether that's Alex or Ben behind the wheel, I don't know. We'll have a quick look. It's Ben Smith behind the wheel. It was left with nowhere to go, really. He committed to the corner. There was no point.
Worrying, currently in Centre the Mountain, the 3 meters with a very fast lap.
Racing car number 12, currently sat in second place. As Christian Kelly, he's taken another 4 tenths out of our race leader on that lap prior, so continuing to...
Only 6/10 of a second, and then you get down somewhere behind the 22, so the next position is everybody else. So he's absolutely brilliant. Are we trying to get that nose up the inside, seeking for the gap, maybe even prying a gap open?
Separating those top 2 previous lap times, so 1 minute 4, 1 second 4 still separates the cars behind. Just looking 3 amigos, they didn't miss a gear, they had contact.
To the right hander up the mountain, and maybe the door was just closed on them, or they ran in a bit hot, something like that. An innocent mistake either way, it looked like, due to the setup of that incident, but good to know that they're back on song, trying to push on through the order. Sukaru racing that time around, made up yet there are some flags because it doesn't have this window next up, which is quite a big safety feature actually here. So by my calculations, I think he's seen that twice as the driver of the Treble 8.
That is why David Drinkwater dropped down the order, and it was found that Duncan Macbeth was at fault for that accident.
He's a bit luck of the draw as to whether you are mid-corner or fortunately on a straight road, but you just absolutely floor it and get going as quickly as possible. Winding their way, and what is a very, very difficult section. It's all just a little bit downhill, the circuit trying to maybe even prying a gap open so that they can make some progress. They may have changed front tires, so you'll have some fresh legs in there as well. They're beginning to make good progress. They are in 14th overall as it stands right now, so they've dropped a long way back after the pit stop, and they do emerge from the air test. They're not quite as close to Old Tech's 65 car as they were previously.
There are multiple around the track. Between the Treble 3.
have hung out Sukarus, so they get their own back this time round as they try and make progress back up the order. Sukaru then gains.
The British motorsport car.
Once again, famous about the auto tech cars we mentioned in third or fourth. He's a very animated man, I believe.
That one. It's probably not got so much speed, but again, when it...
Now, we have a hard cover of diesel batteries. The lifting wheel has been located.
There's so many different battles that you can have. Almost 3 wide in towards Mansfield. Great motorsport, a very late look. Got on the quad.
The question is, can you make the fuel last from now? Because it is going to be scary. So once that plays out, I'm just making sure that
Some of the drivers maybe get inside or track the tail end of the race through
but I know you've got a pack with you at the moment, but I just want you to wait and see what is about to approach the bottom of the mountain, because it is an almighty pack of cars.
here they come then, they'll be winding their way down the hill, they reach the bottom of it just after Mansfield. Of whatever has happened previously to that team. I do wonder, what is the lap time like between Calamity and Tech?
We know that car is
the last one is find yourself off the road as it happened with Lara Motorsport. I'm trying to dissect what could well have happened to them actually, because from right down from the point, you are just beginning to make a little bit of a gap between yourself and the third car in so 2, and then a bit of I think it's small when you see them, because there is a symphony car. Is out and ready. Here comes Pro-Am Racing. Christian Kelly at the wheel takes the checkered flag to win the 6 hours of Cadwell Park. He's done absolutely brilliantly. Credit to Scott Thompson and Justin Roberts as well, of course, who are his brilliant teammates. Now we wait for second and third places with various other cars going across to the pit wall. Lights ablaze. A brilliant race for the 64 car. They will bring it home in second position and a roundabout quick right-hander and then a turn onto the Park straight. Keep your eye on this one because they are jostling for position and a few of them I reckon are even together on the road actually.
Yeah, looking at the timing, and I've got a feeling they are. Milner being the lead of that trail. Then it is Windcat Racing, shortly followed by the hard and enthusiastic machine. Graves are in there, so too